we were going to bring it on tour sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. We started it in Los Angeles actually, the first show. And then we did Australia the following year. 3 cities naman. We did Perth, Sydney, and Melbourne. Then we did, we went back, mostly sa North America. We went to Seattle, and then we went to Calgary. Tapos last March, saan ba tayo? Michigan, and then we went to, ano ba itong lugar na ito? San Leandro in the Bay Area. And then ngayon kakarating lang namin, we did 2 cities naman, Sacramento, tsaka Fresno, Clovis, di ba? Yeah. And then may side trip, nag-show din si Jessa naman sa Michigan, which was very... Virginia pala, DMV, sa DMV, Washington DC, Maryland, at saka, what they call this, Virginia. Yeah, medyo hindi kami masyadong busy.
I love it, the side trip. And it's finally coming here on September 13 sa Aking Puso sa New Frontier Theater. Ayan.
Yeah. And we had never had sa Aking Puso here in Manila. Kasi nga ito supposed to be for tour, but since it's our 25th wedding anniversary this year, we decided to hold sa Aking Puso dito sa Manila leg. Because the story ng sa Aking Puso is really about our love story, our journey. So, more or less yun yung pinaka-underlying theme ng Sa Aking Puso, what it's all about. Of course, we have a song, yung Sa Aking Puso, which became a single. And ang idea kasi namin, napansin namin in all our shows abroad, ang hinahanap lagi ng Pinoy is OPM, Tagalog songs, more than the covers. So, yung concept was, ano ba ang nasa puso ng bawat Pinoy? Kaya Sa Aking Puso, ito yung we felt like these are the songs that are part of, the lives or the soundtracks of Pinoy. Di lang OPM, pero in general. Doon umiikot yung kabuuan ng aming show, concert.
Alright, and with that, before we go deeper to the heart of Sa Aking Puso, ayan, syempre we'll give the floor to our media friends for some questions. First, Sir D.A. and Miss Jay-Z, who would like to go first? Miss MJ.
Congratulations and happy anniversary.
Thank you, MJ.
Wow. And of course, this has been a successful show abroad. So how will you alter it para syempre sa mga true blue, yung mga nakatira dito sa inyong hometown, dito sa Pilipinas?
Ikaw muna, tapos ako
pero kasi mas ma-explain ni Ding, no? Kasi siya, concept niya to eh. And he's also the director. So, ikaw mag-explain.
The creative.
The creative,
Yes.
ng Sa Aking Puso.
Akala ko may sasabihin.
Hindi.
Ako na.
Pero syempre yung Sa Aking Puso dito sa Manila, parang mas magagawa namin yung mga gusto namin gawin for the show. Kasi syempre pag sa abroad, mas limited, di ba?
Yeah, we know naman na there are
May mga
cost
restrictions.
considerations, restrictions pag you're doing the show abroad. But since it's our 20th anniversary, gusto namin mas bongga.
Yeah.
So this
Yes.
show here in Manila will be mas bongga, to put it simply, no. Syempre, we will have more lighting effects and then more songs, and we have special guests in our show na usually sa US, we have the local talents, di ba?